out for a quick Sunday cruise, and it turns out there's a guy here that he just happened to win a dirt bike from MotoSport.com. Look at that. That thing's sick. So how excited were you when you won this thing?
I was like, I wasn't really sure whether it was even real or not. And I was like, and then he sent the email with all the information, and I was like, oh shoot,
yeah,
it's actually real.
So have you ever won anything like this before?
No,
most people haven't.
No, it's
so. Well, how pumped were you? What was your first thought besides the fact that it was fake?
I was just like, well, I was entering in the thing for like about 8 weeks, and
oh, you entered every week, huh?
Yeah, every single week I entered in there every Saturday when they sent the email out, and then just I was at school when he called me, and so then I left school and I called him back, and I was like, holy crap, it's actually real.
Legit. Who called you?
It was Brandon.
Brandon? Yeah.
Yep. He's a really nice guy.
Yeah, he's super good dude. Yep. Works with him all the time.
Yep, he was super easy to work with, and he helped out with a lot.
Nice.
So he was awesome. Adjusting the regenerative braking, just like the engine braking, it was set at 70, and it's quite a bit compared to this thing. So maybe up the horsepower a tiny bit. It's set at 40 right now.
Yep.
Maybe go up to about 48.
Isn't it crazy that it could get double that?
I'm kind of scared to even test it, to be honest. I've heard it's nuts. Like even some of the real fast people, like they don't even want to touch the 80 horsepower. Oh yeah, see how she goes. Ready to rock and roll.
That thing just sounds kind of sick, actually.
I don't always know what I'm supposed to say, but I know what to do. I do it every day. But some things never change. Some things never change. I haven't talked to you in 3 days, and you know that I'll be your blade. Go ahead and feel free. Feel free to call me. I know I made some pretty big mistakes. Holding on and hoping you don't break my legs. Go ahead and feel free. Feel free to call me before you sleep tonight. With you and me, there's always possibilities. 100,000 dreams of what could be. The late nights that we used to do. Now I try to get home by 2. I don't always know what I'm supposed to say, but I know what to do. I do it every day. And some things never change. Some things never change. I haven't talked to you in 3 days, and you know that I'll be on the list. Go ahead,
got the first ball out of the way, so it's all good. What'd you say?
I said I think I love it more than the KTM. It's so smooth.
How many laps have you ridden?
Run 2 laps so far. It just ripped, so smooth. Had a little tip over, but
it's fine.
Ready to get ripping again.
This is soft stuff. It's hard not to do,
man.
Oh
Yeah.
So we're about to go out and burn some dirt together, me and Chase. He's just gonna be probably scared because I'm gonna go up behind him and be beside him and be making all this noise, but it's gonna be fine, right?
Yep, it'll be all right. I'm on this electric one where he won't even be able to hear where I'm at.
Yep. Well, maybe we'll switch off later on.
Yeah, for sure. I'll let you ride it.
I'm trying to low-key get my hands on that start. I want to ride it.
Waking up to the wonder, a wild world away. Feel the dream getting closer, and we're running unafraid. Never gonna slow down, it's time. Pick up the pace, roll the dice. Only got one life, we're on our way. We're on our way. This feeling we're chasing,
so sorry, but I had to. I couldn't.
much, man. That's
I
messed
couldn't
up.
stop. Man, that was
much.
awesome. Hey, how many times did you fall? Two? Awesome. I fell once. Hey, this is the first time this bike's ever been on the ground, so I'm feeling pretty good about that. And at least it was soft dirt, so.
Yeah, nice and soft. It's almost like laying it on like a pillow or something.
Yeah, I'm gonna go over there and try to lay it down and see if I can get a 6 shot before I fall for the second time. This right hand turn is where it's at for me. Left hand turn, go back.
Yeah, we smile and it's in. Never gonna slow down this time. Pick up the pace, roll the dice. Only got one life, we're on our way. We're on our way. This feeling we're chasing, we're never gonna let it go. 'Cause life's more than
I was like, I'm gonna hold him as long as I can. That was sick.
Oh man.
He's got his first ride on the Stark now. What do you think, buddy?
I think sweet. No thinking at all. You just get rid of the gas and she's gone.
Just hammer down, baby.
Yeah, I think we're gonna switch over, sell our bikes, and switch over to the electric bikes.
I was hoping you would hate it, so you just give it to me after this.
I'll let you ride it. Still.
Trade me.
I'll still let you ride it, but I don't know about give it to you.
A trade for that 450 sitting there?
It's a Stark, man. I don't think the Stark's worth any trade.
We got Team FXR photo shoot out here.
Yeah.
We're doing full deal. I knew these were my teammates, and I didn't even know them for today. So it's perfect. They knew what they're doing.
So last time he was,
Hey Jake, what are we doing here?
we're undigging holes, getting chocolate.
Hey, it's Mother's Day.
Mother's Day, getting
It's
chocolate.
Mother's Day, and we're riding dirt bikes. As you can tell, my beard looks a little darker than normal, but we are in the doghouse, so we gotta get chocolate. Bring home chocolate from Mama.
Especially because it worked last time. It worked last time, so if it works, we're gonna go back.
If you're gonna tell me that baby wipes are not a great invention, I'm gonna tell you you're wrong, because these things work for everything, especially cleaning your nose out after you rode dirt bikes in the dusty dirt. Even after I'm done having to change my kids' diapers and they're all grown up, I'm still gonna buy baby wipes, because these things are good for everything. I even clean the stove with baby wipes. Clean my nose, clean the stove, clean my dirt bike, clean it all. People are staring at me over there. It's fine, guys. It's gonna be all right. I'm gonna get it all. Don't worry about me. I'm fine. I'm not gonna get it all, actually, because there's a lot. Not only that, coming on with some chocolate covered strawberries for Brooke for Mother's Day, because she was nice enough to let me go ride. And I also got myself some ice cream so I don't eat all her strawberries before I get there. It was cool to get to ride with some new people, and super pumped that Chase got delivery of his Stark Varg, and he is excited about it. He loves it, and all is well. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and as you've already found here, YouTube, because we got a lot of good stuff coming up this summer. We got an Ultimate Ride Sweepstakes that started yesterday for a YZ450. The thing is tricked out. Go to MotoSport.com/win to get entered, and you could be in Chase's shoes next time. If you live close enough to me, we'll go rip. It'll be awesome. But thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And I gotta go because my ice cream's melting. See you next time.